Welcome to Top Tropicals. My name is Dave, and today we're going to talk about the Surinam cherry, the black variety. So this black Surinam cherry is self-pollinating, so you don't need two. It grows to be about 20 to 25 feet with a 15-foot spread, and it blooms early spring through midsummer. It is a very long-lived plant, so actually if you plant this tree or bush, you could have it for about 50 to 150 years. So it is definitely a hardy plant, and not only is it hardy as in the length of its life is long, if you live in a colder climate that gets down into the 20s, once this little guy's established, it can actually stand temperatures down into the 20s without getting any damage at all, and it will still fruit for you when the following spring comes, even if it was that cold over the winter. Now, the fruits that this make don't have too much of an aftertaste, like some of the cherries that aren't like the ones from the store you can get a little bit of an aftertaste. This doesn't have that, and actually not only that, they're very sweet and very juicy, so they're very delicious, and they're little red fruits that turn black when they're ripe, and they're kind of like a pumpkin shape, so they're little cute little guys. And now these things are on sale here at Top Tropicals, and you can go online to toptropicals.com and you can order one. We ship them all around the country. Not only that, if you're in the Fort Myers area, these are on a walk-in special now for a limited time. So I'm not sure when you're watching this video, but as of today when we're posting this, for a short period of time, these are going to have a really good walk-in special they're going to want to come in and check out and take advantage of. So come on down and get one and some other fruits while you're at it.